Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sumif and Sumifs function in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to use the Sumif with the one condition and Sumifs with the two condition. So let's start. The first Sumif, simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter here the Sumif. Okay, then select the range. Here the range select accordingly criteria. Criteria here the customer. So customer range is customer column. So select the customer column, select the first cell and use here the shortcut key shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay, then use the comma. Then use here the comma. Select the criteria. Criteria is a customer, Sharma and company. So select this cell and use again comma. Then sum range. So here I want result some amount of the customer, Sharma and company. So sum amount will calculate it from amount column. So sum range will amount column. So simply select the first cell, use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column and bracket closed and enter. That's it. The sum amount is 65,150 of Sharma and Company customer cell. Okay. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on your data. To apply the filter, simply select this cell and click on this three dot and click on the create filter option. Then filter the customer name. So just click on the filter and here just click on the clear all. So here deselect all. Now select just Sharma and company. Just select it and click on OK. And here you see the filter is applied. Then select the all amount and you can check here the sum amount 65,150 only Sharma and company customer. Okay. So I remove here the filter and you can see 65,150 is matched. Okay. So next some ifs function. Okay. So here first criteria is a year and second criteria is a customer. Okay. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum ifs and select here the sum ifs. Again, I show you is equal to sum ifs. Select this and first sum range. So here I want the result sum amount as per the year and customer name. So sum amount will get as per the amount column. Okay. So select the sum range, the amount column. Select the cell, use the shift control down arrow and use the comma and then select the criteria range 1. It means criteria 1 range. Okay. Criteria 1 is a year. So criteria range will be year column. Okay. So select the year column. Say first cell shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then use the comma. Then select the criteria 1. Criteria 1 is year. So 2006. Here this cell is select. Then use the comma. Criteria range 2. So criteria 2 is a customer. So customer range will customer column. So select the first cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire customer column. Then use the comma, then select the criteria 2. Criteria 2 is customer, Sharma and company. So select this cell, bracket closed and enter. That's it. 41,100 is some total amount as per the year and customer name. It means in 2006, the Sharma and company total sale is 41,100. Okay. So if you want to cross check again, apply the filter on your data and first filter here the year. Okay. 2006. So I just click on the filter icon and I clear all and select only 2006. So then I click on the OK. Then in customer, click on the filter and clear all and here only select the Sharma and company. Then click on OK and here you can see in 2006, Sharma and company's total sale is 41,100. You can see here 41,100. Remove. I'm going to remove this filter. Okay. 41,100. It's correct calculated. Okay. So hope you understood. Okay, and next I hear one more thing, sheet number 2. You can see here, I mentioned here the difference between the Sumif and Sumifs function. The definition add values based on the single condition. For Sumifs adds values based on the multiple condition. Number of conditions support only one condition, and Sumifs support multiple condition. Flexibility. Less flexible due to the single condition. More flexible as a multiple condition can be applied. Performance. Faster for the single condition. Slightly slower when multiple conditions are used. Okay. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.